We've been working with health spoken tutorials for closely to a year now. Encountered through another senior of mine. Health spoken tutorials were these nutritional videos that cover a huge landscape of how to deal with three issues: effective breastfeeding, maternal nutrition, and a child's complementary feeding. So when we hear the word tutorial, we basically think of it as, you know, some kind of a short crash course, but these tutorials are much more. They are very succinct yet scientific tutorials that tell a mother exactly on what to do. And given that they are now being converted into local languages, even the 6 languages of Nandurbar that we have, we've come to notice its wide range of uses through the outcomes that we are now getting on field. So Dr. Rupal Dalal, who's also been creating these health spoken tutorials, has trained closely 1,000 healthcare workers, ranging from medical officers to community health officers and to ASHA workers and Anganwadi Sevikas, who have now put the health spoken tutorials to use. So the outcomes that we are seeing now after these health spoken tutorials have been put to use is in terms of the weight gains that babies have been having. We've concluded a World Breastfeeding Week competition where we saw weight gains to the tunes of 500 to 700 grams in a week, something that Nandurbar used to see in 1 or 2 months of time span. And plus, these tutorials have also acted as a static source of knowledge for our field force, because ultimately they have to come back to it for revision or reconsultation in cases of confusion. So for us, as administrators, health spoken tutorials are scientific static sources of knowledge that we've used and we'll continue to use over a period of time. We're also converting them to the tribal languages. And all in all, our experience with health spoken tutorials has been about objective administration and planning and implementation that has really helped us understand the landscape of malnutrition. So thanks a lot to the health spoken tutorial team.